Hi guys, Kaylee here at Text United. Today we're going to show you how you can translate your WordPress site into over 170 languages with our WordPress plugin. First of all, you're going to access your WordPress dashboard, then navigate to the Plugins menu and click Add New. Once you're here, you can search for the Text United plugin. As it's a new addition, you'll have to scroll down the page to find it. Click Install and wait while WordPress installs the plugin for you. Once it's done, you can go ahead and click Activate to get started. Once back in your Plugins menu, you'll see the Text United plugin has been added to your sidebar, and you can click on it to proceed. You'll need to create a Text United account, which only takes a few seconds. You'll be given a 14-day free trial of our entire system, which will then revert to a free account, so you can continue using your WordPress plugin. Once you've set up your account, you'll see that you need to navigate to the settings to select the source language of your website. This site is in English, so we'll select that. And then save it. Once that's done, you can start selecting the languages you want your site to be translated to. So we'll start with Spanish and then select who we want to translate the website. Here, you can choose whether you'll be doing it yourself or if you'd like to use human translators and outsource it to Text United Professional Services. This is a paid service. You can then select if you want to pre-translate the website with machine translation, depending on the level of translation you require. Then simply add the language and you'll see it appear below. Text United can translate to over 170 languages. Once you've finished, just click Save. Finally, you can change how and where the language selector will appear on your site, as flags, names, or a combination of both. We'll keep both. You can also choose the shape of the flag too. Finally, you can choose where you want the language selector to be housed on your site. So for now, we'll keep it in the menu. Once this is done, click Save again. Next, you'll need to choose the aspects of the site that you want to translate. So depending on what you have on your site, you'll need to navigate to Pages or Posts. You'll see all your pages listed and you'll notice they now have language flags that show the translations available. We're going to select all, Bulk Action, Edit, and then Apply. You'll notice there is a language selection here now, where you can choose from the languages you added in your settings. We'll add them all, and then click Update. You'll now see there are flags listed for each of the languages. When they change from black and white to colour, the machine translation for that language has finished processing. So you can refresh to see the progress. Remember, the more content you have here, the longer that process will take. For this site, we'll translate the portfolio element too. So follow the same steps you did in Pages. Select all, bulk, edit, add the languages and click Update. Let's take a look at how our page translate is getting on and how everything is looking on the site. Your language selector will appear depending on the settings you chose. Ours is in the menu bar. Now the translations are live, you can actually start to engage with the translations in context with the overlay editor. Simply hover over the Text United plugin in the WordPress menu bar and navigate down to Overlay Editor. Once selected, it will load the translations. You can change the language you are working on in the top left corner. You can now select specific elements to change or update from just the machine translation provided. Alter words, size, or format. The editor displays the source text, and you can add notes to the translations too. You can also access the Fullscreen Editor, which will bring up the Text United module, where you can interact with the translations in a more traditional TMS format. And that's about all for our WordPress plugin. If you'd like more information, please don't hesitate to get in touch with our team.